At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we believe we are among the best providers of HVAC maintenance Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, because of our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. As experienced professionals in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we deliver comprehensive services that cover everything from routine inspections to advanced HVAC system repair. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is included in a typical HVAC maintenance service? A typical HVAC maintenance service includes a thorough inspection, cleaning, and tune-up of your entire system to ensure it operates efficiently and reliably. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide comprehensive HVAC maintenance by servicing all key components of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance for my system? We recommend scheduling HVAC maintenance at least twice a year to keep your system running efficiently and reliably, typically once in the spring for your air conditioning and once in the fall for your heating system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, our HVAC maintenance services are designed to prepare your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning for the demands of each season. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.